This demo will illustrate several key capabilities of the SAFIRE system in the context of a simulated hazardous materials incident on the UCI campus.
During a routine delivery, a chemical shipment package is damaged and begins leaking as it is brought into the Cal IT2 building on the UCI campus from the loading dock. The dispatch center operator creates a new hazmat incident in the computer-aided dispatch system and assigns 2 companies of firefighters and 1 battalion chief to respond.
The SAFIRE net is quickly established to provide robust network communication at the incident site. SAFIRE net provides 2 novel technologies. The first of these is multi-access networks to combine various technologies into an integrated communication pipeline. The second is data mule technologies, which exploit the mobility of network nodes carried by firefighters for the purpose of transparently moving data through the incident site when connectivity to infrastructure is intermittent or unavailable. The combination of these technologies in SAFIRE net allows sensor data to flow from firefighters inside the structure to the incident commander in a reliable and timely fashion, with no impact on the firefighter's ability to perform their normal activities.
The battalion chief assumes the incident commander role and opens the SAFIRE Fire Incident Command Board, or FICB.
On activation, SAFIRE automatically retrieves relevant information from the centralized computer-aided dispatch, or CAD system, including the personnel assigned to the incident. The SAFIRE RFID equipment management system is then used to track equipment assignments made to each firefighter at the incident scene. As information is obtained by SAFIRE, it is used to populate the FICB screens. SAFIRE configures its sensing and data management components as information from the CAD and equipment management systems is obtained. In this SAFIRE diagnostic panel, each rectangle corresponds to a sensor being configured and deployed onto the stream management subsystem. Resulting streams will be processed to create status and alert visualizations in the FICB.
Once initialized, the SAFIRE system begins to receive sensor data through the SAFIRE net from the incident scene, and it is displayed on the FICB. For example, the locations of the 4 firefighters currently present began to be tracked on the map view. The incident commander wants to gather as much intelligence about the chemical spill as he can in a very short amount of time. He believes there may be a victim somewhere in the area, but he doesn't know the exact location of the spill. The incident commander sees that the e-box contains data for the Cal IT2 building where the incident was reported. He selects the floor plan for the first floor and loads it on the map. The location of available camera feeds inside the building are also indicated on the map after their information is retrieved from the e-box system. Since the incident commander could see from the e-box camera that there was no victim in the immediate vicinity of the spill, he instructed the hazmat team to suit up in their additional protective gear before entering the spill area.
In the current implementation, Wi-Fi fingerprinting and signal strength measurements are used for indoor localization, and GPS is used outdoors.
At the command post, a bystander approaches the incident commander and informs him that there is someone very ill on the 2nd floor of neighboring Bren Hall. The incident commander directs the medic company to locate the potential victim of the nitric acid spill. While the medic team proceeds to the nearest entrance, the incident commander retrieves floor plans of Bren Hall from the e-box. The incident commander also directs the other 2 firefighters from the hazmat company to assist in this search. The incident commander loads the 2nd floor of Bren Hall onto the map and tracks the locations of the firefighters as they move through the building. The incident commander also begins viewing some of the camera feeds available via the e-box in order to monitor the progress of the search. While viewing the cameras, he notices a person lying on the floor in one view. He marks the location on the map using the manual annotation capability and radios the medic company to proceed directly to that location. During the search of the 2nd floor, 1 firefighter from the hazmat company begins to get disoriented and gets separated from his partner.
I feel faint.
The SAFIRE speech system recognizes the I feel faint radio communication, and an alert is triggered on the FICB. A separation alert is also generated at nearly the same time due to the fact that the localization system has determined that the 2 partners had become separated from one another. The icons representing the 2 separated firefighters change color to indicate that they are in a potentially dangerous situation. By observing their relative locations, the incident commander is able to direct the firefighter back to his ill partner quickly.